sometimes. It smells strong.
Go, Jonah. Go, Jonah.
Is there any sugar? Do you add sugar?
Nope. Just drink it. Oh, no, no, no. You eat the chocolate after, Jonah.
I'm getting ready. Ah! That's nasty. But it's kind of interesting. I'm gonna do it again.
Oh my goodness, that was the best thing I've ever seen.
Tastes good with Cadbury's.
Not milk chocolate, the dark chocolate. Round 2.
Ah!
Oh my goodness.
Give me some milk. Give me some milk. This is nasty. I drank too much. I drank like the whole cup.
It was like half a cup, Jonah. Oh my goodness.
Apple juice.
Oh, this is hurting my belly. This is so funny.
I wonder what it tastes with apple juice.
Oh, you go try that.
Okay.
Jonah, you're the best. What is the point of that?
It's my mating call.
Oh, okay then. What? Come on, Jonah, get your
Where'd it go?
espresso.
Oh.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Oh, I need somewhere to go.
You got this, Jonah. Ready?
Okay, nope. That is too bitter. I got a whole mouthful.
Oh, Jonah's first halfway espresso.
That's why I like sugar.